Hi, my name is Marcia, and I'm the owner of Marcia LeVake's Image Center. This is a specialty salon for women with fine, thinning, and missing hair located in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Well, I'm standing here at the entrance wall to my salon, and you can see I have a lot of achievement awards and certificates that I've accumulated over the years, but I'm really excited to tell you about this one. This is my Trichology certificate from the I'm a graduate of the US Trichology Institute. And this is important because I have found that there are a lot of women who have questions about their hair loss and they really don't know who to ask, or they've gone somewhere and they didn't get a lot of information, maybe advice from a friend or two. Trichologists know how to look for what the hair loss problem is. It's kind of a paramedical position. It's between cosmetology, which is this working with hair, fixing hair, coloring hair, and a dermatologist, which is a doctor that specializes in skin care. And in trichology, we do look at sometimes scalp disorders, but we focus on what's causing hair loss. So I would love to have you call me and set up an appointment so I can find out, let's get to the bottom of what your hair loss is caused by. I'm going to be having more videos that you'll be able to watch and coming up in the future. And maybe some of those will help you, but the best thing is to do is come in for a personal consultation and we'll really start looking at what's causing your problems. Call me. I can't wait to talk to you.